Don't you understand me now? Sometimes I feel a little mad. But don't you know that all my life has always been an angel? When things are wrong, I feel real bad. I'm just a soul whose intentions are good. Oh Lord, please don't let me be mistaken. Sometimes I'm so free, with joy it's hard to hide. And sometimes it seems that all I had under this worry, and they are bound to see the outside.